Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of products here that are basically essentials for you starting a YouTube channel. If you guys already have a YouTube channel and you basically want to invest more into your YouTube channel, this video here is for you guys. I'm going to be giving you guys tips and tricks. I know I'm a beginner myself. Being consistent in what I'm doing, I know that I'm going to build momentum and I'm going to expand as far as my YouTube career. So consistency is key when you're starting a YouTube channel. I basically flopped a couple years ago. I went months without uploading YouTube videos, or I will upload once every couple months. And I feel like if I had not done that, if I just stayed consistent with a video a week or 2 videos a week, I feel like I can be a lot more further in my YouTube career. Basically, I knew that I wanted to start doing YouTube when I started talking to myself. It got to the point where I'd be in the mirror and I'll be doing my makeup and I'll be like, okay, so first you want to do this and then you want to do this. I would highly encourage you to do it if you feel like it's a passion or a hobby. I truly enjoy recording. I truly enjoy video editing and things like that. So if you guys don't enjoy whatever it is your YouTube channel is for, then you guys are obviously not going to find joy in that. So make sure if you guys start a YouTube channel, make sure it's authentic material. Make sure your content is something that you genuinely love to do. So now I'm going to be showing you guys the key essential items that you would need, knowing what type of camera to use. Now, the camera that I'm currently filming off of is a Sony a5100. If you don't have all the money to shop on Amazon or get a brand new camera, pawn shops are going to be your best friend. I always get warranty if I get any item from a pawn shop. I got this Sony a5100 for $200, $222. Traded my T6 for this Sony a5100. It's more compact. I can take it whenever I'm vlogging. I can sit it here for whenever I'm filming, and I still get a really nice, clear, crisp look. If you like this quality, I'll put the link below to this camera for you guys to go and purchase it on your own. The second thing that I want to say is your lighting has to be on point. Just make sure your lighting is A1. I too am in the middle of upgrading my personal channel, so that's why I wanted to do this for you guys. I got this umbrella lighting kit right here, and this, I'm gonna open it up for you guys, but this is it comes with 5 umbrellas, and it comes with 4 different studio light bulbs. Now, my lighting right now, I have my window open, and I also have these yellowish tint light bulbs that are my vanity mirrors. I get my vanity light bulbs from IKEA, and I don't really like how yellow it is sometimes when it's dark, and this is my only source of light. So lighting is everything. I paid $49.99 for this entire set. It comes with, like I said, 3 tripod little stands for you to put the umbrellas on. Okay, so another thing that I'm highly going to recommend if you guys are going to be doing makeup tutorials, or even if you guys don't want to do the big old umbrella studio light setup, another thing that I'm going to recommend for you guys is to get one of these ring lights. Now, this is the newer brand, and the good thing about this, ladies, is that it was only $29.99. I got the 8-inch one only because it's super compatible. I'm able to travel with it, and I don't really need that huge ring light in my face. As long as you zoom in and put that ring light on the tripod right in front of you, there's no reason for you to have that big ring light, and that's like $89. So right off the bat, it comes with a portable bag. Comes with some hardware, and comes with the power cord, which you do have to have this plugged up, and then it also comes with the actual ring light. The coolest feature about this ring light, not only is it compatible, but it has a mirror, okay? It has a full mirror on here. So that's something that is perfect for whenever you guys are doing your makeup tutorials. This is so sweet. Night of lighting. Another key essential to having a YouTube channel is your audio. Now, the camera audio is it's doable, but I'm trying to look for a more professional vibe on my channel, so I went ahead and picked up this mic. Now this is the Levier microphone. This is basically like a clip-on microphone where you can just hook it onto your shirt, can download the app on your phone. You don't even need to download the app, you guys. It supports iPhone and Android. And if you guys have like a iPhone 6, iPhone 7 and up, I do believe that you're gonna need the little adapter piece. So basically this microphone is really good. The mics make you sound more crisp. It takes out the room noise, and it's just a really professional sound. This was only $10, you guys. I got everything that I'm showing you guys off of Amazon, okay? The next thing that I'm gonna show you guys that's not essential, but it'll definitely help you guys out. I have this reflector kit, and it's collapsible. So this basically, like while you're filming, while you have on your lights, you would basically sit this in your lap, and it's just this nice reflector. I did not think this was this big. So you basically put it here. I can't even put it there. I thought it was a small one. So you basically put it here, and the light is supposed to reflect, bounce off of this and reflect onto you. The cool thing about this is if your lighting is a little too white, this actually has a gold one on the inside of here too. You just basically flip it inside out. What you want to do is make sure that you have a presentable background. So my background is just my room for now. I also went and picked up some backdrops just in case I wanted to switch it up a little bit. Maybe use my room background when I'm doing more personal videos, and using backdrops for when I'm doing like makeup tutorials or hair tutorials. So I picked up this really pretty background top. And this is so freaking cute, you guys. Look at this. The quality is amazing. It's a 4x6, I believe, or some really nice material. You guys don't even have to order an actual backdrop, because you can go to Michael's or you can go to Joann's and get you guys some fabric. Next thing that I'm going to show you guys is something to hang your actual backdrop on. Now, you creative, you don't have to go out and buy these things, but you can get very creative. What I use thumbtacks in the backdrop, and the thing that I had purchased was called a T-stand. Now, this is basically a tripod for your backdrop. So and you literally put your backdrop on over it. It comes with clips. You clip it on, put it behind you. No one will ever see it. It's super efficient, and it was only the last thing. These things aren't essential, but in order for you to edit your videos, or in order for you to, you know, do some type of editing to your videos, add music, do this, do that, store your clips, it's very important that you guys have a computer to be able to edit on. A lot of people might think I'm very skilled with Final Cut Pro. I'm very skilled with Filmora. I'm very skilled with a couple of other editing softwares. But if you guys don't know, I simply use Windows Movie Maker. Now, I have an older computer, so Windows Movie Maker is still on my desktop, but for that simple reason, I have not upgraded my software, just because I do not want to get rid of Windows Movie Maker. It is so easy. Now, if you guys want tutorials on how to use Final Cut, Filmora, Windows Movie Maker, anything like that, comment down below and I'll definitely help you guys out. But if on the go, I recommend you guys picking up a tablet or a computer. So this is something, I just got this basic tablet just to download Filmora on, so I can edit my videos when I'm on the plane. I do have a laptop, but sometimes the screen goes off and on, so I can't really take it with me. So this is the actual tablet. I got the case, it was $10 off of Amazon. And the actual tablet, you guys can actually get one. It's Prime Day. Today is the last day for Prime Day. It's Tuesday. You can get this tablet for only $29.99. I highly recommend it, you guys. So lighting, we covered the audio, we covered the background. If there's anything else that you guys have questions on concerning your YouTube channel, we also covered the cameras. So if there's any other questions or concerns you guys have concerning your YouTube channel or anything like that, I would love to answer your questions. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That subscribe button is right down there. Don't forget to click it. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell just so you're notified of any video that I post from now on. Join Tour Creator fam, and I would love to see you guys in my next video. So